Hello, everybody. Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pot Trading Partners, along with Bob Icino. Bitcoin coming up, hitting the 50, the prior resistance area we talked about, support becoming resistance area, and then coming back down, did not get the first cross the rotation zone, nearly did, and then dropping back down below that 3,500, now holding right at that 3,500 level. Key area for further declines we'll be watching is below about 3,485 on a closing basis. So that's what we watch for. If you wanted other short-term levels, now you could do this to the downside. These are just going to give you tight minor levels if you're looking for possible targets or buying areas. And you can also reverse it and come up here with this nice little pullback. And those would be the upside ones if we got into this prior major consolidation area. So if we get a move up above 35.74, 35.93, and 36.12. A move below 34.82. These are just minor. I'd really be watching this 34.58 level. That's key. Let's check in on the daily chart. Daily chart spiking just against the 8 and then dropping back down. Watch to see if we do get another rally on. Watch to see if we can get a close above 35.50. That would take us on a closing basis into the rotation zone. Then I'd really be watching for these next higher targets. And on a very strong rally, the top of the rotation zone is coming in about 36.42. So I'd be watching 36.40 to 36.50 area on a big move up. If we get down below the 34.58, then I'd be watching for a retest of the lows. Switching over to Ethereum. Ethereum then spiking. We really talked about focusing on this 112.63 level because of where the key averages were on the daily. Spiking through that, hitting the 50-period exponential on the 4-hour, then dropping back down, coming back down to the breakout area, finding support. All right, so we had resistance all across here. Now it's finding some brief support there. This is pretty much a complete pattern, hitting the top two or the first two targets and then dropping back. We can do the same thing now. If you want additional targets, I'd switch these to our little GAN. So that reinforces this. If we get a move above 113.36, I'd be watching for this major cluster. See, we have a GAN projection and a prior retracement level at about this 114.60 area. Then above that 115.90. To the downside, if it does break down below this little support shelf, which right now is coming in about 107.50, then we'll do the projection down. And we would watch for 106.67, but really we'd be focused on the 105.93. Looking across, there was some minor support there. So those are both your levels, the upside and downside. Switching over to the daily chart. Let's expand this too. Again, same as Bitcoin, spiking into the rotation zone and then falling back down. So in order to really focus on these next targets higher, we're going to be watching to see if we get a daily close above about 112. 112 is the key area on the daily chart to get a close into the rotation zone, which generally means we'll attack some of these levels higher in the rotation zone. If we were to get through 115.90, the next major resistance area as we speak now is this 118.50 with the falling 21. So right in here would be the next major area higher. So we're watching for in Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.